If you're thinking what in the name of 4 kids happened in here, same. Welcome to a series of projects I've been putting off for far too long. Today we are organizing this media cabinet in the living room. I cannot believe the kids will be back to school in less than a month, and if we have any chance of actually being on time this year, I need to start getting this house in some sort of functional order stat. I got these charging station boxes around Christmas time and had this so beautifully organized, but then life happened and now it looks like this. The kids bring home iPads and laptops from school every day and are supposed to charge them at night and then remember to bring them back to school the next day, so having a functional and organized place for all of this to happen is important. So I don't have to drive back up there and drop off iPads, because that definitely never happened 42 times last year. They also have watches so they can contact me in case of emergency, and those need to be charged each night as well. My oldest does a great job of remembering to charge his, but the little kids need a little more help and an organized space to do it. This is also where we store our Nintendo games and random remotes and charging cords. I really think rechargeable things were the demise of this great nation, because batteries were annoying to replace, but I'm so over the exorbitant amount of cords everywhere, from remote control cars to drones to speakers and everything else you can imagine. There is so much built-in storage in this house, which I love. We just haven't figured out the best way to use it. On the other side of the fireplace, there are these amazing little built-in drawers, so I'm planning to organize it into a little art supplies / homework supplies area, but that's a problem for another day. This looks so much better for today, and I'm feeling more motivated than ever to tackle our back to school to-do list. Follow along for more cleaning motivation, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.